Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Zebraa James channel, and in this video I'm taking you to the world's largest frame, the Dubai frame. If it's your first time in this channel, let's start by hitting that subscribe button, and if you are returning back, welcome back. Please remember to leave a comment. The Dubai frame is an actual building resembling a picture frame. It's located here in downtown Dubai, and please let me take you inside. Let's find what is inside. You can grab yourself a ticket at the entrance of this building, or otherwise you can get a ticket online, which goes for 50 dirhams, which is roughly about $13 US. It looks so elegant from outside, with this finished nice golden plated wall, which brings out the vibe of the city. Dubai, the city of gold. And at the welcome is the showcasing of the old Dubai, the old way of living in Dubai, where it started, the old items they used, the way they used to live, which looks almost like an old way of living, the museum, and the remembrance of how it started. It gives you a real traditional feeling of how this beautiful city started, how tradition they used to live. Absolutely beautiful. Competition always makes you strong and better. It's feared only by the weak. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed once said. A transparent glass walk on the top, which gives you a fear feeling, a nervous feeling walking on it. If you fear height, this is definitely not for you. You fear heights, hold someone tight, walk along, beat the fears. And oh yes, finally did it. I beat the fears. I finally walked alone. So if you live in Dubai or planning to visit Dubai, come and do so. Visit the Dubai frame. And they got cafes on top. You can enjoy coffee, snacks as you enjoy the views. And Dubai frame was built to cut Dubai in the middle, the old Dubai and the new Dubai. From the left side, which is this side we are looking at, is the old Dubai, the old vintage Dubai, before the tall building, before the Dubai you know. Absolutely beautiful. I want to take you to the right side and let's look at the new Dubai. And from this right side, you can see the new Dubai, the tall building, the green Dubai, Burj Khalifa, but old or new, Dubai is beautiful. And of course, to finish is Souvenir shop to get you something for memory. From t-shirt, mugs, caps, pens, all kinds of gifts. And yes, got one for memories, a souvenir cup to remember the Dubai frame. And yo, Thank you guys for watching to this far. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like, comment and share. Thank you.